Logical, the psychopathological, the pathophysiological, the neurocognitive, the neurological and the cognitive, and last but not least, the miscellaneous, where we will explore a number of different variances. Let's explore the philosophical aspect of mental disorder. Let's talk about solipsism. Solipsism is one of those philosophical ideology that is predicated around the idea of only the mind that exists, and all external stimuli is predicated on some sort of mirrored projection, some sort of mirrored manifestation of projection, or some sort of imagination of some degree. Then you have the idea of intersubjectivity phenomenology. But before we get into intersubjectivity phenomenology, let's explore specifically different sorts of solipsism. One aspect of solipsism says that only the mind exists and other minds cease to exist, which is one of the flaws of solipsism. But then you have epistemological solipsism, which states that I cannot prove that other minds exist. Then you have the metaphysical solipsism, which states that I cannot prove with absolute certainty that other minds exist. Right? During manic episode, bipolar cases tend to adapt or integrate a sort of solipsistic sort of ideology.